I am so happy that I decided to stay at Iron Master's Mansion last night here in Pine Grove Furnace State Park. Being able to do laundry was a huge morale booster. I have 3 days to go 30 miles, which is the pace that I've been going, about 10 miles a day, but I'm ready to start going faster. So after I see my aunt in a couple days, I have a few zeros, I'm gonna start pushing. It's gonna be awesome. So a few days ago, I made a comment that I hadn't really been passed by any northbound thru hikers, and now I'm getting passed by a good number a day, probably like 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10. I was really hoping I'd get my trail legs before the bubble of hikers starting from Springer arrived in this area, but I do not think that's going to be the case. I'll probably be like catching the beginning of them when I'm back on the trail after my 0 days with my aunt. Oh well, what can you do? Totally just forgot my trekking poles back at the stream I crossed and took a little break at. So I guess now I have to go get this. I just passed, why are you like that? I just passed this, I just passed the campsite where I was planning on camping, and it's about 3 o'clock. It's only 4 more miles to the next shelter. So I think I'm gonna push, see if I can make it there in the next 2 or 3 hours, because it's a beautiful day. It's hot as hell, but it's really pretty out. I've seen so much wildlife. I've seen like 5 deer. I saw like 2 rat snakes. I saw a tortoise. I saw something else. I can't even remember now. Like a million chipmunks, of course. This seems weird. Should I be holding you like this? I don't even know. I like this. Anyway. Thank you.